Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so in today's video we are going to learn how to delineate a stream or river from a dam. Yes, so in my previous video, you see the link over there, I created the slope, elevation and contour map or contour lines from a dam of this same location, the Tafo municipality of the Ashanti region of Ghana. And now we are going to learn how to delineate a stream from a dam. Instead of digitizing them, going to Google Earth Pro or using a special imagery to create a shapefile to draw the rivers, you can just activate the rivers from this dam. Very simple. And that is what we are going to learn today. In the video I just cited, this was the whole dam. Do you get it? And I clipped this out of it. Do you get it? So we are not going to repeat the clipping process in this video. If you don't know how to clip a dam or clip a raster, you can go back to that video, the one I cited earlier on. That video will teach you how I was able to clip this particular boundary. Do you get it? Out of this big dam to get this. Do you get it? So now we are done with the clipping. Let us move straight to how we can delineate the river from this dam. So we will go straight to the ArcGIS box. When we go to the ArcGIS box, we will move straight to Spatial Analyst 2. This is it. You see hydrology, select that one. Then you see fill, select the fill. Now select the clipped. You get it? This is the dam we are working with. Then you specify where you want it to be saved. So let me create this folder. So I'll write Tafo fail and I'll save it. By the way, if you want to know how you can download a dam from USG Explorer, you can watch this particular video. That is the link over there. It will teach you how I was able to download this dam, the big dam, the wide one, to clip this, how I was able to download it from USG Explorer. Now let us continue. Now that we are done with our fail, we'll go to the hydrology, the ArcGIS box, Spatial Analyst 2 hydrology. Under the hydrology, we will select flow direction. Have you seen it? You select flow direction. Then this time around, you are going to select the fill you just created. You choose the fill layer. Do you get it? Then you go to the same folder, then you specify flow direction, FD. Have you seen it? Then you save it. Then you click OK. You get this. Don't be scared. It is normal. Let us move forward. At the same hydrology, you see flow accumulation. Have you seen it? Select that. Then you select the flow direction you just did. Then you select this. Then you name it flow accumulation, FA. Then you save it. Do you get it? You maintain everything. Okay. Have you seen it? You see that now there are some rivers that are showing. Have you seen that? Yes. So now we are going to use this to do something. At this level, let us move from the hydrology, Spatial Analyst 2, and go to Map Algebra. You see Raster Calculator. Spatial Analyst 2, Map Algebra, Raster Calculator. Then you select the TAFO flow accumulation. Then you select greater than, then you write 500. Do you get it? So at TAFO, above 500 sea level, we want to know the streams that are available. Do you get it? At your own time, you can choose maybe 100,000 and see the rivers that will appear. Here we are choosing 500. Then we will come here, TAFO underscore Raster Calculator. Then you save it. Okay. Do you get it? So we still got this. These are the streams that are available at this TAFO municipality. Have you seen that? Now, we've delineated the rivers. That is it. Now that we are done, the next thing that we are going to do is that we go to the conversion tool. You will see from raster. Then you see raster to line. You select that one, then you select the TAFO Raster Calculator. Do you get it? The TAFO Raster Calculator. When you select the TAFO Raster Calculator, then you come here, then you choose the folder you want it to be saved in, then you write, let's say, rivers or streams, whatever. Do you get it? Then you save it. Then you click OK. Have you seen that? Then you uncheck this, uncheck this. You can also uncheck all of them. Then you activate this. So this is it. You can go to this side, then you change the color of the stream. Have you seen that? So at the municipality, this river is coming from here, this river, this river. So we have delineated the rivers in the districts. Very, very simple. Instead of going through the pain to digitize the rivers, now naturally we've just delineated them from a DEM. Have you seen that? Yes. And before I close, do you know you can create a DEM from Google Earth Pro software? Very, very simple. You just go to the Google Earth Pro software, then you do some lines. You just create some lines over there. Very, very simple. Yes. If you want to know how to create a DEM from Google Earth Pro software, watch this particular video. That is the link over there. It will take you through. So now you have two options: how to download a DEM from USG Explorer, and how to create a DEM from Google Earth Pro software. Yes. So thank you very much for watching. If this is your first time being on this channel, check my subscriber count. You'll be sad for me, very small. Be part of this journey for me. Hit the subscribe button, please. You can share it to your friend, like it, and even comment under this video so that we can engage. Help a brother. Once again, I would like to see you in my next video. Bye bye.